All who say family for the new year, say family. Family. So for you say family, you know what I want to do? Eat epic.
Eat epic.
For you say family, eat epic, you know, because we said family. Do you every day in my yard with my brothers, my sister, my niece, so I never no joke, no love talking because me epic too. So to me, epic. Yes. So me go say epic to me, epic family. Family for the new year.
Yes, sir.
Outside, we are the hilltop.
That's how we do it. Yes, 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 yes.
To the channel.
So yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Island Adventure, where we do things epic, and we are gonna show you how we get epic things done. Yes, so as I said before, this is Island Adventure and we are in the hills underneath the breadfruit tree. I won't give away my location because I don't want anybody to be running up on me. So yes, you know, to my 13 subscribers, Happy New Year. To all of my viewers out there, Happy New Year. Anybody watching this video right here, Happy New Year's to everyone out there. Enjoy yourself with your family, your loved ones, even those who don't like you. Show them some love anyway, because, you know, it's all about love and harmony. So yes, as I'm here today with my family, we are having a together party up in the hills underneath the breadfruit tree. I love talking about the breadfruit tree. He's my friend. Yes. So, epic. That's how we do it. So, as you can see, I've got my brother is right here grilling or jerking, whatever you call it, some chicken right here. Yeah. What? Hey, Mr. Robbins, what you say doing right here?
Doing a grilled jerk.
He's doing a grilled jerk. Look at this, guys. If you could only smell the epic aroma coming from this chicken,
yes,
it will make you want to bite your fingers off.
Yes, sir.
That's how we do it on Island Adventure. Yes. Yeah. And right here, where's Kadian? Okay, I will return Kadian. So guys, as you can look at this. You can get it none better than this.
Yep.
It's unbelievable. Look at this right here. Look at it. Look at it. What you say, Mr. Homie?
Yep. Are we using the smoke? We're running it on the smoke hollow grill. Smoke hollow.
The smoky hollow is getting this guy smoked properly. Yes, that's how we do it on Island Adventure. And remember guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video, because that's all we do on this channel. Epic stuff. Where you get epic content, we keep you on the edge of your seat and screaming for more. So yes, and so right here, the pastor, the evangelist, is cooking some basmati rice. She's getting it ready to put in the pot. Pastor Shelly. Yes, Pastor Shelly is cooking. Is cooking her specialty, basmati rice.
There ain't no rice if it ain't basmati.
Say no rice.
There ain't no rice. If it is basmati, it ain't rice if it ain't basmati, man. Has to be basmati. Basmati.
Look at that, guys. Basmati, royal basmati rice. Come get your rice. Yes. And over here, we're going over by, so this is the grill right here.
Hey, look at this.
And this is the pot of yam, banana and dumpling.
Yeah.
So what? Look at this, guys. Curry chicken. Man, I don't know we're gonna eat this off, but some of us gonna roll tonight. But it's all about epic and island adventure. And over here, this is the rice spot. Let me take you guys over here. This is the rice spot. Look at that, guys. Well seasoned with coconut milk, thyme, scallion, pepper. And this is the soup. Chicken soup. Man, if you can only smell it, you'll be screaming for more. So yes, this is how we do it, guys. This is our New Year's celebration. It's a family get together where, you know, we come and we are gathered together up in the hills to enjoy this New Year celebration. And you know, I hope the same for everybody that is viewing this video right now, guys. So yes, and remember, huh?
One angry wood fire.
What look at that piece of wood, guys. That is what we use to cook the pot. Look at that, real Jamaican wood. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That one piece of wood alone is cooking the pot. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So Isaac, what are you saying? What do you got to say to the viewers? You have nothing to say? You don't have nothing to say? You're just staring? Exactly. That's how we do it.
Hi, I'm Shelly. I'm Pastor Shelly.
And this is Pastor Shelly.
Yes, I have to keep on my mouth.
She have to
I'm abiding by the law.
Yes. That's how we do it on Island Adventure. You gotta wear your mask. Yes. Do you have anything to say? What you gotta say? You're not saying anything? Okay. You're not saying anything? And this is Frost right here. He's the one that is cooking the curry chicken and the soup and the yam and banana and dumpling and all of that good stuff. Anything to say to the viewers, Frost?
Yes, you know that everything is loyalty, and I love all the subscribers because whenever you're watching the video, it's just epic.
Yes! All about epic.
Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for the video watching and subscribing. And that is why we do the show.
Yes, sir. That's how we do it. You still don't got nothing to say? Oh, when you have something to say, come back to me. Or Alex, do you have anything to say to the viewers?
No.
You don't have nothing to say?
No.
Do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Good morning.
Good morning, okay.
And Happy New Year.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. And say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button.
Exactly. That's how we do it. Do you guys have anything to say over there?
Happy New Year!
That's how we do it on Island Adventure. Yes. Happy New Year. Yes. So
That Island Adventure Choir.
exactly.
Gotta keep on a mask, you know.
Yes, sir.
As a
That's
pastor,
yes.
I have to maintain protocol.
Exactly. We gotta do the right thing.
We have our water area to wash your hands.
Exactly.
And our sanitizer.
Yes.
Yes, and I have to keep on my mask.
You still don't have nothing to say? Okay, we don't got something to say. Come back to the camera. What? That's how we do it. So Max, do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Yeah.
You subscribe to the channel,
Yeah.
like the videos,
Yeah.
share the videos, leave a comment. Yes, sir. Give a thumbs up. That's how we do it. You still don't got nothing to say? Still waiting? Yes, so this is one of my in-law. Do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Hi, everybody. Hello.
Okay, nothing else? Subscribe to the channel. That's how we do it. Still don't got nothing to say? All right, I'm waiting on you. So yes, guys, remember, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video, because that's how we do it on Highland Adventure. We are up in the hills underneath the breadfruit tree. Which location, as I say, I will not disclose because I don't want anybody to come looking for me, but we are underneath the breadfruit tree having a good time. So yes, Miss Robinson, anything for the viewers?
Waiting on the chicken.
Waiting on the chicken. Yes, I don't know why Mr. Homie is taking so long. Yes, sir. Chicken is ready. Look at that. Unbelievable.
Yep.
Yup.
Yep.
Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Wow. Yes. So, guys, we are up in the hills having a marvelous time. Yes, Mr. Robinson. Yeah? You all right? Move your chair. Somebody lock your chair. Okay. Take your time, push it. Okay. Hi, Sean. Do you have anything to say to the viewers? Anything to say? Say something for the viewers. Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
That's how we do it on Island Adventure. Okay. Where is this? You still don't got nothing to say for the viewers? I'm coming back to you, okay? All right. So as I say, guys, we are up in the hills, up in the cool hills underneath the breadfruit tree, having a good time. My pastor right here want me to show you the video. She's enjoying her chicken leg underneath her mask.
Give her
Yes, that's how we do it. So yes, guys, we are all here as family having a marvelous time, a good time, you know, enjoying the new year.
Did you show them our panoramic view?
I'm gonna show them it right now. Yes. Yes, Mr. Robinson. You all right? Yeah. Don't lock his wheel again, okay? So yes, guys. So yes. That's how we do it, guys. We are here celebrating the new year, having a nice family come together, you know, celebrating the new year, the first day in 2022. And as you can see, we are here as a family, coming together, having a glorious, good time. Yes. Pastor still eating her chicken leg underneath her mask. Yes. Yes, that's how we do it. Yes. You want to come out now? This dog right here stole my chicken leg yesterday. This dog right here. Why did you steal my chicken leg? Yes. That dog right there. Yes. But yes, we are having a good time, guys. Beautiful.
Enrico would have loved this.
I tell you, man.
Yeah, Enrico would have loved this.
Yes,
He would have loved this.
Yes.
Because it's happy tears, you know, but I know he would be missing, but I know that Draco, you know, he was always the life of the family. He always had the funny to bring everybody together, and so Happy New Year. This is in his memory. We love him, never stop loving him. We are sharing the New Year celebration dinner.
Yep. I'm trying to make sure this crowd right here, I'm fighting. Yeah, that's how delicious the chicken is. Look at this. Wow, look at the chicken, guys. Look at that. Chicken and fish. My wife is saying that I need to stop talking and help sharing, but yes, I'm gonna share my own plate. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep. So yes, guys, look at this panoramic view right there. Look at that. This is Montego Bay, overlooking Montego Bay, Bow, Redding, Spring Garden, all of it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful view. You can only imagine what it look like in the night when the city is lit up. So yes, so this is my niece right here. Yeah, she's about to eat her chicken and fish and cake and drink her drinks and chill and relax. Yup. Yup.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's how we do it. And this is one of the epic chef right here, Mr. River. This is the guy that if you want somebody to cook your rice, this is the rice cooker right here.
Keep watching.
Hey, if you are cooking rice and you have to be adding water to your rice, stop cook rice. Call this guy right here. Right. He is.
To my rice.
Yes, sir. Confession is good for the soul.
Guys, remember to subscribe and click the bell button and also give it a like and a thumbs up.
Exactly, because that's how we do it.
Can I have one of these?
You want to have one of that right here. What? I won't call the name.
I want to have one of these.
You want one of these? So yes.
Look at that. After I have one of these, I'm in barefoot. I'm gonna buy one of these.
Yes. So yeah, themselves right here, enjoying their New Year celebration dinner. Yup. You have anything to say to the viewers?
I want a chair, please.
He say he want a chair, so I'm gonna give him a chair. Yep. So guys, stay tuned and watch the progress as we enjoy this marvelous celebration dinner on the first day of 2022. This is how we do it on Island.
How we do it.
Exactly. Is enjoying the first celebration for the new year 2022. Look at that. This guy is done already. Clean. Was it delicious?
Yes, it was.
Delicious. Was it delicious?
Amen.
Was it delicious?
Very delicious.
Exactly. What about you? Nice? Chef.
Up there, up
There.
there.
There we go, guys.
So onion, garlic, and scary.
Miss Akas, she can't say nothing. How is the meal?
Very wonderful.
Very wonderful. Yes, guys. Look at this guy. He's licking his 20 finger. Look at him. He can't almost eat it off, but he's gonna eat it off. How is it? It's beautiful. You love it? Still don't have nothing to say? Okay, he's still quiet. Yes. Mama Lee, anything to say? Enjoying the view? Ian, how are you, Mr. Chef?
Just eating some lovely dinner and enjoying the view while eating.
Exactly. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. While he is enjoying the beautiful scenery. Look at that, guys.
Look at it. Yes, it's beautiful.
Unbelievable. Yes. So, guys, I'm gonna enjoy myself. Look at that. Beautiful setting, guys. Nice family setting. Yeah. Olive, you good? Right. So yes, guys. So yes, I'm gonna wrap this thing up and I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. So guys, as I said before, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video. And Happy New Year to everybody, guys. Have a good one. Prosperous New Year, guys. New leaf, new chapter, new everything. So stay tuned, guys, because we have some epic stuff gonna drop on this channel. So guys, Enjoy yourself, and remember, this is where we get epic stuff done on Island Adventure. So stay tuned, guys. All the best. Word out. All about epic.
Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for the video watching and subscribing. And that is why we do the show.
Yes, sir.